In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix largest contentful paint element for better performance. So largest contentful paint measures how long it takes for the largest visible element like an image or text to appear on the screen after a user loads your page. So a fast LCP improves a user experience and is important for both SEO and performance. So if your LCP score is poor, fixing the LCP element can significantly boost your website speed. So listen carefully as I explain each steps because I can show you directly how to do it, but base this on my research. So first, let's identify the LCP element. So before optimizing, you need to know which element is causing the delay. And then the delay element could be like a large image or here images, banner, etc. A background image, or a block of text, usually heading or a large paragraph, or a font. Now, find LCP elements using Chrome DevTools. Open your browser and then right-click on the any place in here and then click the inspect, or you can also press the F12 in here. So after that, go to the performance tab, click start profiling and reload page, and then look for the LCP marker in the timeline, and then the element responsible for LCP will be highlighted. And then since images are the most common LCP elements, here's how you can optimize them. Use next-gen image formats, and then compress resize images, serve images from a CDN, and lazy load off-screen images. So optimize fonts for faster loads also. You can, for the fonts, can block rendering and cause a delay in LCP, especially if they aren't optimized. You can use a font display swap tag and then preload key fonts, limit font variations. And now to remove render blocking resources. So render blocking CSS and JavaScript files delay the LCP. You can minimize their impact by minify CSS and JavaScript, load JavaScript asynchronously, and remove unused CSS. And after that, improve server response time. Slow server response time can contribute to delay LCP, so enable browsing caching. And then if you use a faster hosting provider, and then enable gzip or Brotli compression. And after that, prioritize critical rendering path by preloading the critical resources and using the server-side rendering or SSR. And once you've implemented the optimizations, test the performance again using the following tools like Google PageSpeed Insight, Lighthouse, Web Page Test, or GTmetrix. And that's it. Improving the largest contentful paint is crucial for a better user experience and higher SEO rankings. By focusing on optimizing images, fonts, render, blocking sources, and server performance, you can reduce LCP and speed your website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.